So my name is Michel Fiocchi, and I'm in charge of the technological incubator of the campus. And I'm sorry, I will have to speak English. I don't speak Italian. My name is Fiocchi, it's Italian one, but I don't speak Italian. So the incubator is a technological incubator, okay, which is connect to the incubator of Institut Mines Telecom, which is the great school of all the industrial minister in France. No, l'école des mines and telecom. All the school of mines and telecom are in the same school. 14,000 students, okay, in engineering, okay? And here we deal with microelectronics and IoT technologies. Okay. And for the incubator here is around these technologies, okay? So I take a few presentations to have an illustration on my. Okay. Donc, team is for technology, entrepreneurship, accompagnement, I don't know. Accompagnement and maturation. Okay. I create this 15 years ago, okay, in Gordon. Then we cloned that in Saint-Étienne, and now in Paris. So I go through all this. Huh? In fact, we are 4 teams. We are one campus in Provence with this kind of technology, the microelectronic, IoT, mobility, and medical electronics. And in Saint-Étienne, we deal with medical engineering. It's not the same as medical electronics, materials, and computer sciences. On each campus, we are the same kind of dealing, okay? It's around the Department of Technology. Here we have 4 departments for security systems, technology, electronic technology, logistic sciences, and bioelectronics. Now 4 departments, and we have these 4 skills for the startup. Then Micropacks, which is a cleaning room, inside the labs, and some students. J'ai oublié ma. C'est pas grave. So around, based on these technology skills, we have industrial environment. C'est le pôle SCS là aujourd'hui. Hein? Oui, bon. Donc, so, le pôle SCS, which is help us, but Eurobiomed is a pole around biomedical technology, safe about mechanical and aeronautics. Security, yes. And so, Cap Energy is energy, and and this is a national support of electronics startup. This is for industrial, and there is a lot of incubator and entrepreneurship helpers. We are co-incubate the startup with us. The startup we are coming here, we help her about the product, and one of these actors help about creation. Okay? So we are French Tech, Impulse and Belle de Mai are incubators. This is funding, okay. This is funding too for students. PEPIT is a program for students to help students to create and so on. So for each startup, we have two kind of incubation. One technological is us, and one for the rest. Okay. It's the same thing in Saint-Étienne, the same schematics. Bon, okay. I have a lot of presentation. Où est ma souris? Ah, voilà. So the second one is this one. Yes. So the incubator of École des Mines is part of the incubators of Institut Mines Télécom. Okay? Ah. It's a very nice picture from me.
For this region.
Yes. Yes. Donc, it's in English. Donc, l'incubateur de IMT is for also. Okay. Just. Yes, it's a national network, and we can exchange skills and startup through all this part of the France. So we are in Marseille for microelectronics, and Sophia Antipolis more of software, Paris more of software, in the north materials, general engineering here, ALS2, and here it's cybersecurity. Okay, so we are in networking, and we are for team. So École des Mines, we have around 15 startups. For the network, we are down 117 startups. It's a bit bigger.
So you can also direct the startup to the best
Yes.
around the
Yes.
country.
Yes. And we can, for example, actually I have a startup where to do IoT on agriculture,
Yes.
and they need to have containers in biomaterials. And in Lille, they are in materials. So the startup is here, but work with Lille for the materials. Okay. And a startup from Albi on materials too need electronics to they create la matière bavarde. The speaking materials. Speaking materials. Yes. Okay. And they Italian materials. Yeah, it's a cement, something like that. You put on the wall, okay, and then when you pass the hand, it detect your hand, and you can do something. Now switch, it's the beginning, but everything you can imagine. And they need electronics for that. Okay. So she came here a couple of weeks to make electronics here, and then go back to Albi for this product. Okay, so.
And this national network is founded by the government, or it's public founded, or it's both?
I comment. Okay. No, there is no funding for that. Okay. We have to get funds. Okay. For we are all paid by the government, but we can't fund the startup. Okay?
Do you concentrate on regional funds when you're supporting?
Yes.
You don't look for European funds as well?
There is local funds.
Yeah.
For example, here in Marseille, there is a fund from the metropole.
Yep.
Yes. There is from the regions.
Yep.
And we help our startup to get the funds. It's a little funds.
Yeah, so you don't fund the startup with
No.
your funds, you
No.
use the public or the private, whatever.
Or private,
But
yes.
then the network,
Yes.
as a network, is founded at the public level, or it's
The incubator itself.
in the incubator?
It's public level.
The public level.
Yes. We are depending of the Minister of Industry.
Okay, exactly.
It's a public level. And we, because we are a lot of startup, we prepare Bercy IMT Award, which is an award with money.
Oh,
Okay.
wow.
Okay. It's one of the program of the network. Okay. So there is donc an award with money is 50 kilo euro, the award, and we have a parcours. We can help our startup
To go to Vivatech.
to go to Vivatech first. It's a concours. It's an award inside. Then to
It's just the time.
CES Las Vegas.
Okay.
This year, in January, we went to Las Vegas with 21 startups,
Okay.
and we have there is a French Tech, and there is a lane with IMT. Okay, and it's the same this year. Okay. So this is for. I think there is no more about that. And yes, we have a very good figures.
Wow, yeah.
Okay. So and the last thing I want to speak. Next week we are launching a platform to help funding. Oh, she went. Okay. So Value Trust is a platform for all the startup of l'Institut Mines Telecom. Sorry,
No, that's okay.
it's something something like a marketplace. Okay, just for startup to get funding.
Michel, do you have a selection process for this to join this platform? Do you have a way you select the best startups to join, or is it open for?
It's open for all the startup in the
It means the same, yeah.
in EMT, and I think next year it will be open for other startups.
And can the startups here join a partner outside and be a part of this, or does it have to be those who are involved in Mines Saint-Etienne?
Yeah,
Only inside, okay.
only inside the Institut Mines Telecom, not Saint-Etienne. Huh?
Oh, it's just
So all of them.
All of us.
no, that's it.
Alors, so what is this marketplace? Oh, sorry. Oh, the video is in French now, so. Alors, ça, on va sauter. So, if you are a startup, you can depose on the platform what you need. You need a POC, a proof of concept. You may need expertise. You may need techno, founding. You ask what you need and which kind of startup you are. Everything is, in English, I don't know, notarizé. It's on a blockchain,
Yeah.
and you can secure what you put on the platform, and you know who reads the paper, when, and so on. Okay? So if you are a startup, you ask if you want. Où est mon truc? Je suis à l'envers. Hop. If you are funds, you pay to access first, and then you can. So, what the startup wants. What are your intellectual property and so on, you can see, and you can go to propose something. Okay.
Does the startup keep the IPR, the intellectual property,
yes.
or to use, have a partial?
Yes, they can put it on the platform, and it's secure.
And it's their IPR, but
yes.
you don't take any
No.
ownership? Oh.
Okay. Okay. And on this platform, there is already the BPI, French BPI. There is Brega, it's a very big funding for electronics. Okay. La Poste, there is some big industrial too. Orange, I think Orange is on it. Then, but it's not only for this kind of. Ça veut pas. So, if you are an expert, a teacher, and you have a skill, you can put your skill on the platform, and the startup can ask you, and you can money your expertise and so on. You see, this startup want, I don't know, cybersecurity, and you are expert in cybersecurity, so I can help you and propose something, and okay. C'est la mise en relation, yes. It's a platform of mise en relation with a lot of security. But also because in the IMT you do a lot of medical activity. There is a patient. If you want to try something, a new technology for your disease, you can go on the platform and propose to be a patient. Cobaye, oui, si vous voulez. And okay, and the launching of that platform is for next week in Paris, au ministère à Bercy. We launch this in Bercy. Okay. And vous pouvez y aller. So voilà, it was a very short presentation of what we are doing. So here in Gardanne, we have some startup on IoT, a lot of IoT, of biomedicals. We have some one society we go neuro implant. We have on OLED. We have a startup on OLED. We have a startup on health for horses, for drones. You speak about drones. So we have a platform. We do a product which for looking where are the drones, the security of aerian security of drone. With Monte Carlo, there is an experimentation in Monte Carlo.
Most airports need it now.
Yeah. Drones. We have a startup on sensor with IA inside the sensor, embedded in IA, and with a lot of problem of cybersecurity. A drone too. Drones. The products of the airspace drone, which is a startup, run around a blockchain, a specific blockchain. And we have a startup with do noiseless glasses for bâtiments. And one startup about agriculture, town agriculture.
Okay.
Or it's okay.
Thank you.
Have you some questions?
If you have questions, we can take the two previous presenters, and if not, I can briefly present about chips before we get the tour. But if anybody has any questions, please, or even questions about the cybersecurity aspects of Shimon.
We are interested in OLED startup.
OLED startup. TECMOLED. Alors, OLED startup want to create large-scale OLED. Large scale is 2 meters, a pixel of 2 meters.
Okay.
Okay, with flexible support.
Okay.
Oh, the market is smaller than 2 meters. Is a stop for cars.
Okay.
There is a market for medical, a little market for medical with patch with luminance for disease, skin disease. And there is a big market for military application, very big.
About the lighting market, do you see any application?
No,
No.
Not even for
Expensive.
times.
it's for,
Expensive.
yes,
Okay.
it's a small series. Enfin, the car is not small series, but smaller than,
Expensive.
yes.
Okay, thank
Okay.
you. Thank you so much, Michelle.